Hello everyone, finally officially confirmed that Nothing Phone 2a coming very soon this month, and this is Nothing Phone 2a hands-on image and render, and this is the first cat look Nothing Phone 2a. According to the leak, the Nothing Phone 2a model number is A142. The animation show that the phone will be follow the Nothing design language and the rear camera will be adopt a horizontal design, and the phone also come with 3 glip lighting. Nothing Phone 2a will be nothing past a smartphone using MediaTek chipset. The phone comes with MediaTek Dimensity 7200 SoC. Expected the phone comes with 8 and 12 GB of RAM up to 256 GB storage. And in the display department, the phone comes with 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED 120Hz refresh rate display. In the camera department, the phone comes with dual camera setup, 50MP main sensor plus OIS and 50MP ultra wide, and the phone is come with single 32MP selfie camera. And the good thing is, out of the box, the phone running Android 14 with Nothing OS 2.5. The smartphone powered by 5000 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charger. As a bonus, the leak published the official wallpaper coming with Nothing Phone 2a. It is expected to be announced on 24/7 February at MWC event 2024. The Nothing Phone 2a is expected to be priced lower than Nothing Phone 2, which retail for a $600 in USA. So I am very much excited about Nothing Phone 2a, and let me know your thought in the comment section below. Make sure you hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this as always. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.